Before the day asks anything of you, before the noise, the questions, the constant giving, pause here. Not because you're overwhelmed, but because you give so much. Teaching asks you to hold space for focus, for curiosity, for emotions that aren't always spoken. It asks you to be present, even when you're tired, to guide, even when you're carrying your own thoughts quietly in the background. So let this moment be for you. You don't need to empty your mind. You don't need to prepare for anything right now. Just let yourself arrive as a human first. Not a role, not a responsibility, not a title. Teaching is not just what you do. It's energy you offer. And energy needs restoration. If your body feels tired, let it be honest. If your mind feels full, let it rest here for a moment. You are allowed to pause without losing momentum. You are allowed to restore without guilt. Take a moment to remember this. You do not need to give from emptiness to be effective. If it feels right, repeat quietly, I am allowed to restore my energy. Again, gently, I am allowed to restore my energy. Teaching requires patience, and patience is not endless. It's renewable. When you replenish yourself, you don't become less committed. You become clearer, steadier, more grounded. Let yourself reconnect with why you teach. Not the pressure, not the expectations, but the purpose. The moments of understanding, the small breakthroughs, the quiet impact that doesn't always get noticed. Your presence matters more than perfection. Your calm matters more than control. As you continue listening, imagine yourself stepping into your teaching space, not rushed, not depleted, but centered. See yourself speaking with clarity, responding with patience, holding boundaries without tension. And if the day becomes noisy, you return to yourself. Offer yourself this reminder: I can lead with calm and clarity. Again, softly, I can lead with calm and clarity. You are not responsible for carrying everything. You guide. You do not carry the entire weight. Your role is to support learning, not absorb stress. Let that settle. Teaching is a relationship, not a performance. And relationships thrive when there is balance. You are allowed to be human in the classroom. You are allowed to be steady, not perfect. When you care deeply, boundaries protect your energy. They don't weaken it. If it feels helpful, remind yourself now: I give my best without draining myself. Again, I give my best without draining myself. As you move through your day, there will be moments that test patience, moments that ask for flexibility, moments that require compassion. Meet them with steadiness, not force. You are capable of guiding, redirecting, and inspiring without losing yourself in the process. Your calm presence is powerful. Your consistency is powerful. Your effort matters, even when it feels unseen. Before you return to your day, let this final thought stay with you. You don't have to push to be impactful. You already are. You teach not just with words, but with energy, presence, and example. Carry this restored sense of self with you and step forward knowing you are grounded, capable, and ready.